This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paulette Bayer. Newly remodeled with lovely kitchen and bath all redone. On the water with view of pool. Open floor plan with room for a king-size bed. Tiled floors and much more. Rental includes cable, internet, water sewer, garbage, clubhouse and actives are in main clubhouse, pool nearby. Lovely neighbors. Electricity, phone, insurance for personal items required. 55 and older community. Please, for more information, review the details below or contact Paulette Bayer at 954-804-2117.